you going, Gwen?
Bacolod.
For your passport.
Hello, if you also nandito kami sa PFA Bacolod para sa renewal passport. So, things to remember kami sa pagpa-renew ng passport is make sure you have your original documents. Like renewal to, so you have to have your own passport niya. And make sure na may mga photocopies ka lahat ng mga importante na documents. May mga printouts na ipapadala ang PFA once na makapag-apply ka na ng appointment sa kanila. So, make sure you print them out as well. So, yan. You have to all get them printed out. So, photocopies yung kanyang passport, photocopy ng birth certificate. Yung original birth certificate, hindi ko madadala, pero hopefully okay lang na pag-usapan naman. And then, yung confirmation or your receipt ng pagbayad mo ng application for the passport. It's very essential na way before yung schedule mo, like now, ang appointment namin is 1 o'clock, nandito ka 30 minutes before, kasi i-verify pa nila yung mga papel yung kompleto. So, nagpabalik-balik ako ngayon doon sa pagpa-photocopy kasi may mga kulang na dito na photocopy. So, I have to do that. So, make sure na you have enough time para mahabol yung mga photocopy. Kailangan din ng maraming barya kasi hirap ng barya. Hindi na kasi pwedeng hindi na pwedeng mag-video doon sa loob.
And don't forget to subscribe and like.
Salamat sa aming camera woman na si Katkat.
Hold it, come on, let's go. Go inside. So, ayun. Kailangan kong pumila doon sa LBC Courier Services nila para ma-deliver sa address ko to Dumaguete yung passport ni Gwen. Dahil dito sa Bacolod, by default, ang normal nila na ginagawa is pick up ang passport. So, ayoko na magbiyahe ulit from Dumaguete to Bacolod para i-pick up lang yung passport. So, they have courier service na kailangan mo naman i-apply after na yung processing ng passport renewal. Dito ka na naman magpa-process para doon sa courier service.
So, grabe. Ang bilis. 3 processes lang. Verification, processing, and encoding. It took like 5 minutes for everything. Tapos, at least hindi sila masyadong manipulate. As in, hindi ko nadala yung original na birth certificate niya, but then they allow it. Kasi renewal lang naman. And ako, may original ID. So, passport processing sa Bacolod branch. Talaga palang mabilis. So, yeah. Okay, so, we've done and paid for our LBC Courier Service para sa passport hindi na deliver na lang sa Dumaguete.
So, everybody done na?
Yes po. Thank you so much. Yeah. So, hintay na lang kami ng passport ni Gwen. At dahil baka hindi ako makaka-receive ng address kay mama, I have to leave an authorization letter for my mama to receive yung passport for the Philippines. I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo maging guide para doon sa pag-apply ng passport or renewal. So we are on our way home to Dumaguete.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. From Chicky Divers.
So we go here. We go this way. Come on. Go up. Good morning. Tara na. To get your passport.
Saan ka ba na ikalima po na po? Ada na yung kontre.
Bye. Bye, Queen. Bye, Queen. Bye. 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 Alis na kami. Bye. Magkaroon ka. Get tricycle. Bye. Bye, Queen. Bye. Alis na kami. Bye.